Coming soon from Full Sin Fantasies, the greatest free rider and freestyle motocross athlete you've never heard of. And can you tell us why you insisted on the disguise?
The disguise is just for privacy. I'm just not ready to be that famous. I don't want people rushing me for autographs and pictures while trying to have a nice night out with my wife at dinner.
Going out to dinner where? McDonald's drive-thru? So you really feel you would have been that big of a star?
Yeah, I mean, if you're out there winning everything all the time, people aren't going to be rushing to talk to Travis and Brian.
Oh, Lord, please. I assume you're referring to Travis Pastrana and Brian Deegan?
Yes, uh, those guys are great. But hey, if I would have kept riding, there may be no Pastranaland or Metal Militia. It worked out for the sport and the fans and those fellas. But who knows? Worked out for everybody, except me.
Okay, no Pastrana. Let's move on. Ha! Yeah, let's do that.